live with Elmina Castle. Anomansa Restaurant. Elmina Edina bakatue and record live and colored. Yeah, all the brothers in the building. Eko Simpson waha, Mani K waha. Energy you know wo form hanaze sheshe show. Na ya wa baba dem wo fia ha. Baba, what's up? Orokodo style baby. Brother Dotna, what's going on?
Oh, nyamina ado. Ya ba fashion. Fashion mo ana ewom no.
I say Abu right from Tuesday you've been in the scene. Ejumana everybody too much. Ejumana everybody too much. Papa, now one kasa one no motivate we another one because it looks like everywhere content day you one day there.
Yeah, ejumana day ekede yeah. Baby, it doesn't matter baby a content no. So you have to go for it. Into motivation
because all this while in community can say yeah ministers and kawe Western regional minister because a honeta wedruma or hopa
dama
into what business was central on your base.
Okay, so me bahade for Elmina bakatue festival on into me bahade and so far so good baby I record fine. So far, no. What's your highlights on this event? When you are on Elmina Festival 2026, and what's that extraordinary thing in we has heard? Charlie, these people that are festival, them do Okay, so actually, this year we meet third time about this particular festival.
All right.
So I think this year, I think improvement be Abba. Because yes, your Krumpa before the program, there's some artworks being a day recordo and then where bakatue festival na changes be in terms of organizations and this year wama akra hino ya friend nana offend gamanche otumba pumu afashe we munti wama afashe na beautiful pie.
I see. Apart from na no be wa ma fashion ya fe no ya wanyama bi o hose be hu ya wa ma wenyu aja.
Okay, adekula me unde artwork na why no rules if you go enim ho why some artworks be na identity wa ma this time around me unde nyema 1 or 2 be wa ma kro so I feel unti me nwe de me artwork na or hono so pa.
Beautiful. But then, Obibakade, we have a lot of creators in the building. Ebe so far, one nominate to me share what we call lead content creators now our time.
Well, maybe had my main fan that's my brother AR2 on number 1 person now. Maybe had a mission. Then my name is brother Alex Nefi Takrade Nebe. Everybody, you yourself sister me who Eko Simpson Ahade confirm every yeah. It's maybe 1 or 2 people be waha bloggers no one name.
All right, Charlie. Zaya Bakay in there. This is a great job I have for you there be into Yabo Abaudo. You've done well. I'm not the type I'm a tap where make your content. Debbie I'm playing a trailer. BB Commando, and so it's good meeting you guys. It was on a short notice, but we pull up and it's beautiful. I keep on telling people that let's collaborate more. Competition is a I mean, we are all unique in our own style, so let's come together and let's project Western, Central, and Ghana. But I was super grateful for coming, and then hopefully. Yarika na course na we say hosting it.
No, definitely December ya baby by dawa on to tardy cry.
No, men defend because me get tardy boy. All right, brother, but that's super brave.
Okay.